Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and today, as you can tell by the thumbnail and title, that we're going to be doing a quick makeup beat. So this makeup beat is going to be an easy everyday makeup look, or if you want to go on, say, a lunch, brunch, you can even use it for date night, girl. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. But before we go any further, I would love for you guys to consider subscribing, clicking the liking this video means a lot. It helps my channel out by you just taking a half a second and clicking the like button, okay? And if you really enjoy your girl, click the post notification and set it to all so you won't miss any more uploads from me. So let's just get right on into it. I don't want to drag out the intro, but yeah, let go. All right, so let's get into this quick, easy beat. I am going to use these products. So I am going to moisturize my face with the Bloom Effects World to Look Nectar. It's a moisturizer, and I'm shaking it up because it's like a jelly, so I'm not quite for sure. Ooh, it's slimy. Does this go for your face? It's like really slimy, but it's really greasy, as you could tell. And I've been breaking out on my chin, if you guys see it. I don't know what's been going on there. We've been breaking out. So I think I need to put a little powder on my brows now because of that. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo powder. And I'm just going to use a little bit to mat my brows back out. I probably should have used loose powder, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna go in with my Even Natural Black Brow Pencil. I still do my brows basically the same, but if you guys would like an updated tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know, and I'll do that for you. I'm gonna take a little bit of the red by A.MaRee. It's a lip liner, but it's red, and I'm just gonna fill in a little bit right here because my hair is red. We're gonna try out our Kosas concealer in 07N. I'm gonna use it to clean up my brows. Now this is gonna be my first time using this, so ooh, I was about to say, so be careful. Let's not judge too harshly on the color range, but girl, let me shut up. Kosas say stop playing with your girl. All right, so now that the brows are done, we're just going to, oh, you know what? I seen an old video that I did. I used the Laura Mercier, the loose setting powder in translucent medium deep, and I set my whole face before I actually went in with products. But before we do that, let's go ahead and use the e.l.f. Whoa Glow. And this may be a little too much grease for my skin. This is my first time using this. Okay, it blends out. Girl, I thought we was about to be white. So good thing I am about to go in with this loose powder first, because girl, I may be doing way too much. So I'm gonna take the butt end of my triangle that I use to set my under eyes and stuff with, and I'm just going to press this in all over my face. I'm telling y'all, when I seen an old video. I was sitting back watching some of my old content. I seen me doing this and I was like, wait, I did used to do that. Why did I stop? And I think just because the evolution of makeup trends and stuff like that, it kind of drifted me away, but it looked real good. Let me go ahead and take my swipe right from the Creme Shop and set these brows. Now it's time to go in with the Bobbi Brown Skin Like Foundation, and this one is in Golden Almond. I used to love this foundation, but I done had it for years, and it's in my personal project pan. I don't think I brought project pan back to my channel. Without any pressure, just use it up. I'm gonna go in with the Kosas again. I remember I used to do this too, you guys. It give me a better snatch to the nose. Y'all, I really was going through all my old videos like, girl, you don't do half of that stuff no more. I think I'm gonna like this concealer, but with it being such a mini, I keep scraping the lid, so it's gonna get dirty really fast. Let's see if she dries down. Oh, she dries down quick. Good. I don't have a cream bronzer. If I would have had a cream bronzer out, I would have drew the cream bronzer down. And I do apologize if y'all hear those kids outside. I know I always say it, but I live in an apartment complex. I film in my garage. I live right next door to the playground. So I do apologize. I will try my best to drown out the background noise. So I have a question. Do you guys miss the old school like makeup tutorials and actual beauty reviews? I was watching Jackie Aina. I was watching, I think it was like one of her recent videos, or maybe it was an old one. Y'all, I'm always on my watch later when it comes down to my YouTube. But I was watching one of her videos, and she was speaking of how YouTube and makeup has gotten so far disconnected that people don't do them no more. And I was like, you know what? She's right. YouTube done became so saturated with vlogs and pranks and music videos. Like, I'm not gonna judge nobody because everybody wants to be a music artist now. YouTube has become so saturated to the point where nobody does like what I'm doing now, makeup tutorials or beauty reviews or makeup swaps and stuff like that. They don't do that no more. You don't see many of us still doing it. And I say many of us because that's what I started my channel off as. Do y'all actually miss that? Because Jackie put it to my attention, or should I say brought it out to my attention even more, but I miss doing that. I miss when YouTube was about that. That's when I started, and I'm pretty sure when I started, they already had the OGs like Platinum D, Jackie Aina, Jacqueline Hill. Is that her name right? Jacqueline Hill? Wait. Would y'all be interested in watching that if I was to bring makeup reviews and stuff like that back? The reviews, the actual makeup tutorials, the actual do a full face of new products and actually come back at the end and let you guys know how it wore and this and that. You know, I'm gonna use, I just pulled this out of my other makeup bin, but I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder. Gonna take my triangle. I'm going kind of heavy. Letting it be known now, I am going heavy because I do want like a full beat face, like full coverage, full coverage. And yes, I'm trying to be careful on where I'm stippling when it comes down to the side of the nose, because that can make or break you, girl. So I am going to take my Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I'm taking Neo on my fluffy brush, which is Morphe M3433. I'm going to take a little bit and I'm just going to blend it right up in here as a transitional color. That's not it to the eyeshadow, okay? That's not it. You know what? I'm gonna bronze first with my Morphe Glamour Bronze in Leader. I'm gonna bronze first, and then I'm gonna set the rest of my face. And I am using A.MaRee brush from Amazon. I have a little brush for my nose, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna take the Morphe E40 and I'm gonna tap into my bronzer and I'm going to trace me a line. I'm gonna take another flat shader brush and I'm just going to blend it. Now we're gonna go back in with our e.l.f. powder and we're going to use, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe E51 and we're just going to press the powder and blend everything in. You see how I went, when I went to my nose, I didn't add any powder to the brush. I just went over it with what was left and it helps blend out your setting powder. So the nose, the bacon that we did, you don't see it as harshly, as well as your bronzer. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of this BH Cosmetics. This is Highlights Insight. This is a liquid eyeshadow. Now, I did speak in my May Shop My Stash that I was gonna talk about these BH Cosmetic products. They supposedly went out of business, right? But yeah, you can still find them on certain people's websites. I'm not too sure what that's about, but it's true. I will have them linked down below. Now, I don't know if they have everything still on people's site, but you can still find it, as well as TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Burlington's, places like that. So you're gonna take that blending brush and you're just gonna go right back over, blend that into your eye look, where you just put all that glitter. And it looks like you really did some work. Now, granted, because it's drying out, it has all this loose glitter. Try your best to just knock it off. I am gonna line my waterline, and I'm gonna, you know, be a little extra today. I'm gonna do this yellow. Gonna catch our waterline with this yellow. And this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon eyeliner. And this one is in the shade Screaming. Wow, these are really good to say. To say they are drugstore. I'm gonna set my face with the Wet n Wild matte finish. Can y'all tell it's time for me to shave my face? Like, you see how the setting spray is like sitting on the skin instead of melting? That's when you know it's time to maintenance your face. You know your face has little bitty hairs, facial hair, peach fuzz. I near it, or I shave it with the straight razor and oil. Oh, I keep touching my eyeball. I'm gonna quickly use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is my first time using it. I don't know if you guys been catching up or been in tune with my videos, but I did haul this, and I know Juicy Jazz speaks highly of this mascara. It's really gonna matter on the bottom lashes though, because I'm putting on falsies. So and I have baby bottom lashes, so if you could see them with mascara, that makes a good mascara for me. Okay, Juicy, I see what you're talking about, girl. Before I pop on my lashes, I am gonna use this Just Eczema Sun Kissed highlighter. Got it in the Etsy bag. So I'm going to, and I'm not putting on a lot, but I need it to pop. This is a lot of glitter payoff though. It's a beautiful color and it pops, but it seems like it's a lot of glitter payoff. I am gonna go back in and I'm gonna take Neo and a little bit of Toby. Neo and a little bit of Toby as my blush. And I am going to be wearing my A.MaRee Beauty Bar lashes in HBIC. I no longer have a website, but I do still have an Instagram. So if you guys are interested in any of the products that I used to sell on my website, you can inbox me and let me know what product you want, and we could easily work out regular shipping, quick shipping type of ordeal, and I can get you some of my products. So all we got now is the lips to do. I am going to use, let me sharpen it. I'm going to use the LA Colors lip liner in chocolate. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Never Nude. This is a bullet lipstick, brand new, never used it. I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm going in with NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie just to give it a little bit of sun. And there you have it, you guys. This is the completed look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I never really know where I'm going when I'm doing makeup looks. I have the ideas, I have the colors, I have the things planned out as in what I'm using. But when it comes down to doing looks, period, I just go with the flow. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. Do not forget, I did ask in the video if you guys miss like beauty reviews and the old school makeup tutorials and stuff like that. Sound off in the comments. I love to chat with you guys. So I'll just catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.